pure and sweet. The sound of Yahuwah is made complete. Their gentle cries, a sacred refrain, perfectly calling Abba Yahuwah's name. Not taught by men, no words they learn, but through their breath, your truth they affirm. Alleluia, their voices rise, a melody pure, reaching the skies. The suckling babes proclaim your name, Abba Yahuwah, forever the same. In innocence they speak your praise. Alleluia, Yahuwah, Ancient of Days. Before they walk, before they speak, your name is heard in the voices weak. A kadosh sound from hearts so new, declaring Yahuwah faithful and true. Their lips reveal what angels sing, the sound of life, the voice of the King. Alleluia, Yahuwah, the world will know. Through babes your glory will overflow. The suckling babes proclaim your name, Abba Yahuwah, forever the same. In innocence they speak your praise. Alleluia, Yahuwah, Ancient of Days. No wisdom of man could ever define the purity found in the infant's line. Your ruach moves, their voices proclaim the everlasting power of your kadosh name. Suckling babes to hearts made wise, Yahuwah's name fills the skies. Alleluia, Yahuwah, forever adored. Your name resounds forever, our Alleluia.